All right, no problem. Go ahead. Uh, but yeah, I don't know. Our At least that's what I would do as a guy. Now for you as a girl, maybe if let's say you just really don't want to drive, baka you have plans of maybe drinking a bit, and you just don't want to worry about parking or whatever. Maybe you could ask, hey, is it okay if you pass by for me? If he says no, then I think that's kind of like I don't know. I'm not a girl, but I feel like that'll be a turn off. Uh, but I guess in most cases, parang yeah, sure, I'll pass by for you.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah,
So, I guess, hindi lang talaga like, siguro, fully 100% na typo siya or kahit 70%.
yeah,
That's why meron akong mga doubts. Okay. So, sana hindi siya nanonood ngayon.
yeah.
Joke lang. Also, there's this girls instincts na, oh my God, parang ina-ask niya lang ako kumain sa labas kasi there's hidden agenda or may masamang balak, kumbaga. Right? Di ba?